This handsome fellow is Mason. He is a 2.5-year-old Greyhound Doberman mix. So he has a beautiful lean look about him. He's a very friendly boy, likes to be petted and scratched. He'll even lay down here in the grass so you can give him even more attention. Just a very friendly guy. He is part Greyhound, so as you can imagine, he loves to be outside, likes to go for good long walks. He is very alert and attentive. He really watches what goes on out here, really likes to explore the world. So he's definitely looking for a family that can take him outside and just spend some time with him. While he's been here at the Humane Society, he does prefer to go to the bathroom outside, and he walks pretty nicely on a leash. He already seems to know sit and maybe even down, so he seems to be already a very smart, well-trained boy. He's looking for a home that will play with him, work out some of the energy. He's just such a friendly boy. He's going to make someone a terrific new companion.